I'm going to admit something right now that I don't think I've ever admitted before on TV. I love chili. I love it so much that even though National Chili Day isn't until February, I couldn't wait to share my new chili recipe with you. So if you're ready to find out what makes this one so great, let's not waste another second. What we do is saute some ground chuck along with Italian sausage in a heavy soup pot until no pink remains. Then we toss in a couple cans of chili beans that we've drained, along with some diced canned tomatoes, with the juice and all. Now, to give this lots of flavor, we add some chopped garlic, onion, and green pepper. Then we add a decent amount of beer, a bit of hot pepper sauce, and a boatload of spices. After giving it a good stir, we cover it and let it simmer until it thickens up and all the flavors come together. This is great on game day. And if there's a local chili cook-off that you really want to win, keep this one in mind. It's my secret weapon against all those other boring chilies. To get this winning recipe, I suggest you head over to our website and look for what I call My Tailgating Chili. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a great chili way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.